Mr. Rogers, I have to advise you before we get started that you have the right to request a court-appointed attorney. If you make that request, we will postpone today's hearing to give you time to speak with your counsel. And Mr. Rogers, are you requesting court-appointed counsel today?
I appreciate your question, but I'm not interested.
Welcome to Courtroom Secrets.
Morning, I'm referee Pachorka. We'll go ahead and get started. Looks like this is file number 98-000-338-DM. Looks like we have both parties here. Mr. Rogers, I have to advise you before we get started that you have the right to request a court-appointed attorney. If you make that request, we will postpone today's hearing to give you time to speak with your counsel. And Mr. Rogers, are you requesting court-appointed counsel today?
I appreciate your question, but I'm not interested.
All right, then. Ms. Mullen, if you would please call the case.
Thank you. This is the matter of Mary Orman, now known as Maciage versus John Rogers. And this is an arrears only case. Since April of 2015, there were 2 children between the parties. The balance currently owed on the account is $25,000.
Your Honor, I object.
All right, Mr. Rogers, what would you like to say in response to today's show cause?
I'm here by special appearance to object to this court's jurisdiction. I filed 3 sets of paperwork 2 weeks ago. Are you in receipt of them, and are they on the record for the record?
The court will take notice of your filings, Mr. Rogers, and would you like to address any of the points from those objections that you filed at this time?
I'm here as special appearance only, Your Honor, to object to this court's jurisdiction. Unless
why does the court not have jurisdiction over you today?
I appreciate your question, Your Honor, but I'm not interested.
Okay, very well then. At this point, the court finds that it does have jurisdiction over the payer. The relevant statute is, for the purpose of the show cause, is MCL 552.633.
Your Honor, I object. The state of Michigan has not entered any evidence to prove that they have jurisdiction.
Under subsection 3, in the absence of proof to the contrary introduced by the payer, the court shall presume that the payer has currently available resources equal to 1 month of payments under the support order. This is an arrears only case. However, when this case was in payment status, what was the monthly payment amount, Ms. Mullen?
The charge was $303 per month.
The state of Michigan has not entered any evidence that there is such a debt. They have not entered any evidence that they have jurisdiction.
Ms. Mullen, what was the dollar amount?
$303 per month, Your Honor.
All right. In that case, the court finds, based under the statute and the absence of proof offered by Mr. Rogers, that he has the ability to pay support of
Your Honor, my evidence is on the record, and you're not observing it.
$333 per month. Therefore,
I do not consent.
The court does find that Mr. Rogers is in contempt. He will be placed on probation for a period of 2 years.
I do not consent to that.
During that 2-year period, he will make payments according to a payment plan consisting of $333 per month. If he does not make payments according to that plan, a bench warrant will issue for his arrest. The amount of the bond will be set at $1,000, which he will have to pay or serve 5 days in jail.
Your Honor, you haven't addressed the jurisdiction of this court yet.
Court is in recess. Thank you.
Thank you.